How long do carbide burrs last? One of the most common questions among metalworkers, welders, machinists, and fabricators is how long a carbide burr will last. The truth is that there is no single answer because carbide burr lifespan depends on several factors, including the quality of the burr, the material being cut, operating speed, cutting technique, and overall maintenance. A carbide burr used properly can last for hundreds of hours of cutting, while one used incorrectly may become damaged or dull after only a few jobs. Carbide burrs are manufactured from tungsten carbide, an extremely hard material that is significantly harder than high-speed steel. This hardness allows carbide burrs to maintain sharp cutting edges much longer than many traditional cutting tools. Under normal conditions, a quality carbide burr can remove a tremendous amount of material before showing signs of wear. This durability is one of the main reasons carbide burrs are widely used in fabrication shops, machine shops, automotive repair facilities, and industrial manufacturing environments. The type of material being cut has a major impact on burr life. Softer materials such as aluminum, brass, copper, plastic, and wood generally cause less wear on the cutting edges than harder materials like stainless steel, hardened steel, cast iron, or titanium. While softer metals may not wear the burr as quickly, they can create other issues such as chip loading, which can reduce cutting efficiency if not properly managed. Harder metals place greater stress on the cutting edges and naturally shorten tool life over time. The quality of the carbide burr itself is another important factor. Premium burrs manufactured from high-grade tungsten carbide typically last much longer than inexpensive, low-quality alternatives. Higher-quality burrs maintain sharper cutting edges, resist chipping, and provide more consistent performance throughout their lifespan. Although premium burrs often cost more initially, they frequently offer better value because they require less frequent replacement. Proper RPM selection can significantly affect how long a carbide burr lasts. Running a burr too slowly may cause excessive pressure, vibration, and chatter, all of which increase wear. Running a burr too fast can generate excessive heat, potentially damaging the cutting edges and reducing tool life. Using the correct speed for the burr diameter and material being worked helps maximize cutting efficiency while minimizing unnecessary stress on the tool. Operator technique also plays a major role in carbide burr longevity. One of the most common mistakes is applying excessive pressure. Carbide burrs are designed to cut with their sharp edges rather than by force. Pushing too hard can create heat, increase wear, and even chip the carbide teeth. Allowing the burr to cut naturally while maintaining steady movement generally produces better results and extends tool life. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of carbide burr performance. Excessive heat can accelerate wear, especially when cutting hard metals or when chips are not clearing properly. Maintaining proper speed, avoiding excessive pressure, and keeping the burr moving can help reduce heat buildup and preserve the cutting edges. Chip loading can also affect burr lifespan. When materials such as aluminum become packed into the cutting flutes, the burr begins rubbing instead of cutting. This increases friction and heat while reducing efficiency. Using aluminum-cut burrs, proper lubrication, and correct cutting speeds can help prevent loading and extend the life of the tool. Storage is often overlooked, but can have a significant impact on carbide burr durability. Tungsten carbide is extremely hard, but also relatively brittle. If burrs are allowed to strike one another in a toolbox, the cutting edges can chip. Quality storage cases that keep each burr separated help protect the cutting teeth and maintain cutting performance. A carbide burr may not necessarily fail suddenly. Instead, performance often declines gradually as the cutting edges wear. Signs that a burr may need replacement include slower cutting, increased heat generation, excessive vibration, poorer surface finishes, and the need for greater pressure to remove material. When these symptoms become noticeable, the burr may no longer be performing efficiently. Professional users who work with carbide burrs daily often measure tool life in terms of productivity rather than hours alone. A premium burr that maintains sharp cutting performance for a long period may save considerable time compared to a cheaper burr that dulls quickly and requires more effort to use. For occasional hobbyists, a quality carbide burr can potentially last for years if used correctly and stored properly. For professionals who use burrs every day, lifespan may range from weeks to months, depending on workload, material type, and operating conditions. Even in demanding environments, high-quality carbide burrs typically offer excellent durability and value. Ultimately, the lifespan of a carbide burr depends on how it is used. Selecting a quality burr, operating it at the proper speed, using moderate pressure, preventing overheating, and storing it correctly can dramatically extend its service life. With proper care and technique, a carbide burr can remain a productive and reliable cutting tool for a very long time.